This is the new 5000.1D version 2, 5000 watts RNS. This is the replacement for the original HCCA5000.1D, not SPLX. En control. User manual, cables, keys. This is the model. This is the Bureau certificate. This is the serial. This is the board rate. We will test right now on the dyno. Zero. Low path of 40 Hz. Bus put 0. Level 0. Application 0. Just connecting the dyno and also the tester to calibrate the weight. Okay, this is connected right now, the tester and the dyno. Just will calibrate the amplifier, track porting. This is the dyno. Also here we are on dyno, recognize the 40 Hz, no distortion, no distortion. Okay, we are ready for the test. Just right now we go to the track number 4 in certified mode. Certified mode 1 ohm. (6,186 watts) at 15.72 volts. This is certified power on the original 5000.1DV2 amplifier. This amplifier is perfect working. Just will test right now on certified power. Just change to uncertified. Okay, just will test right now the uncertified mode, 40 Hz. 6,313 watts RMS at 13.71 volts. The amplifier continues working very well. Just will continue now with the test about the dynamic mode into 1 ohm. Study before 6,313 watts into 1 ohm, 13.71 volts. We finish the test. Just now we'll see what we have inside. Oh, let me see. This is the new one. The difference with the old one is that it had a bigger capacitor bank, more powerful transformers, and some technology inside that by confidential reasons we can show. But enjoy the new one 5000.1DV2.